Welcome to AppStylePress. In this video, I will show you how to use Google Images search by picture on mobile, or how to use Images Google search by image on Android. This technique is called reverse image search or reverse image lookup. To do that, open any web browser app. Go to google.com. Press Search by image icon in the search bar. Allow access. Take a picture by pressing Open Camera option at the top, or upload an image from photo gallery to start a reverse image search. After you provide the image, you will see all of its occurrences online. This way you can detect the source of image, or you can detect if an image is unique or just a copied image from the internet. So this is how you can use Google Images search by picture on mobile. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.